Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change and set default reminder times in Microsoft Outlook. So the default reminder time before a meeting or appointment is typically 15 minutes before the event would begin. However, you can modify the default reminder time without too much difficulty. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is select the File tab and then select Options on the left panel, select the Calendar button, and then on the right side where it says Default Reminders, you can click on the drop down here and select a default reminder time, anything from 0 minutes all the way up to 2 weeks. And you can also turn off default reminders altogether. Again, this would be the default reminder. You can still set reminders, but just wouldn't be by default anymore. And you can also change the default duration for new appointments and meetings by clicking the drop down there as well. So just something to put out there as a complimentary or supplemental option you may want to look into here as well. And then once you've made your selection, select OK, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.